you guys are the tough ones. Let's see if I can herd you guys in where the other ones are over there. Oh, Appa! Come on. Out you get. I've already got most of them in, so I'm hoping they'll just flock, but these two don't have the best flocking instincts, as we learned. That way. No, the other way. Damn it. All right, girls, wrong way. Your friends are over here. There you go. There you go. Wrong way. Come on. Nope. There you go. There we go. Done. Move some sheep. Trying to herd them over by their water so they know where it is. And there's a lot of running involved in shepherding. I don't know if you knew that. That's why I'm always out of breath. Come on, guys. Go, go, go. Go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's it, girls. No, wrong way. Come on, this way. Let's go. Let's go. I know there's lots of good food. Come on. Come on, Luca. Over this way. I want you to find your dugout. Let's go. Come on, Charlotte. Come on, Luca. Come on. Come on, girls. Let's go. I think this little guy following behind. This one right here. He's the one that we banded. Yeah, you found a tree. Come on, let's go. Look, there's water over there. There's a dugout for you. Come on, almost there. Almost there. There's your dugout. I've closed myself in, so now I have to figure out how to open it. Or how to get out, rather. There you go, girls.